Hello, friends. Your tech friend Rosie Gandhi is here again with another tool. Today, we are going to talk about how to add channels in Microsoft Teams. What are channels? Channels are kind of groups which you can create within your class or across your teams and allow them to have private discussions or work on their activities separately without disturbing or getting disturbed in the class. What kind of activities you can do when you add channels? You can have team discussions. So you can maybe a class can be divided into 4 teams, team A, B, C, and D, and all of them can be divided into different channels and they can discuss. It can be a group activity, it can be peer-to-peer learning, or if there's any brainstorm required for any activity. So let's get started because this is a very useful feature. Lots of teachers have sent me requests that we need to do a lot of group activities and we are not using anything apart from Google Docs. So can you please share something which we can use in Microsoft Teams? So here you go. Microsoft Teams has come with a nice feature and we're going to use that. You will click on Microsoft Teams and click on the teams. I'm going to just delete this team because I don't need this and I'm going to just create in front of you. So as you already aware that you can create a team using this. If your team is already created, you can use that as well. So I'm going to just use create team because I'm creating a new team. I'm using it for my class, so I'll click the option class. I can name any class if I'm creating it for a class. So I say demo. It's a demo class. I can give a description here. This is a group activity and click next. Microsoft Teams is creating the team for you. Now it says add people to your group demo. Now this is a group you're creating for the whole class. So you can add your students here and just click on add option when it gets highlighted automatically when you're done with all your students. After you're done, your team is created or your class is created, which is named demo. So instead of saying 7A or 8A, I've written demo here. So to create a channel, now this is my class, which is a demo class, and I have a students of 20 here, and I want to break them into maybe or 5 students in a group. So what I'll do is click on these 3 dots, click on add channel, name the channel. So I'm going to name channel means another group. I'm going to name them with different colors. Again, you have an option to describe what this group has to do if you want to. Important is the privacy setting here. If you click on standard, it will be accessible to everyone and we don't want this to be accessible to everyone because we're making it specific for a group. So you have to make sure that you select private here. Click next. Now it's creating a channel for you. In the beginning, when we first created it, created a class for you. Now it's creating a channel, that means a separate group for you. It's created a separate group. Channel means a group. So orange group is created. Now it is asking you to add members here. You can just type the names or select the names of the students you want to select from the class. The add option becomes active and it creates a channel for you. If you see here now, orange channel is created. That means orange group is created. It has a lock. That means it is private. People whose name are written or in this group will automatically see this on their screen. And they will be able to click on this and start their conversation. So if you see, it's already showing here and we can start adding members, we can leave the channel, we can edit the channel and lots more we can do. If you want to add more, you just click again on these 3 dots and again add another channel. This time I'm giving the name as blue. Again, description can be written. Instead of standard, we make sure it is private. Click next. It's creating the channel. That means creating a group for you. Now add students. This gets highlighted and the channel is created. If you see, the channel has been created. Now I can start putting some conversation if I say hi in channel blue. So whichever this blue group is they can share posts, they can share files which will be private to them only. They can add more tabs if they want. So anything which they do is private to this group only. So it's an excellent tool, and as a teacher, I can move on to all the groups because I have created these groups. I have the right to go to all the groups, but the students of orange group will not be able to see the blue group or enter into blue group. So guys, I'm sure you have understood this feature, which is excellent, and please use it and share with me how your students felt when you used it in your activity. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, or comment on my channel. I'm always waiting for your response and feedback. Till we meet again, everybody, stay safe, happy learning.